In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Starbucks app on Android. If you've been wanting an easy way to order ahead, pay in store without pulling out your wallet, earn stars toward rewards, and quickly find nearby Starbucks locations, getting the official app is the best place to start. We'll do this directly from the Google Play Store, which is the safest and most reliable way to install apps on Android. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. A stable internet connection will make this smooth, so Wi-Fi is ideal, though mobile data works too. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top and type Starbucks. Take a moment to double-check your spelling, since typing the exact app name helps you find the official result faster. From the search results, look for Starbucks Share, published by Starbucks Coffee Company. This developer name is your key indicator that you found the legitimate app. You'll also see the familiar Starbucks branding on the icon and a large number of downloads and reviews. If you see anything that looks off or uses a different publisher name, skip it and choose the official one instead. Tap the app, then tap Install. The Play Store will handle the download and installation for you. You'll notice a progress bar while it downloads. The time this takes depends on your connection. If your phone asks for routine permissions, that's normal for apps that use location to help you find nearby stores. Make sure you have a bit of free storage available. Most modern Android phones will handle this without any issues. When the installation completes, you'll see the Open button. Tap Open to launch Starbucks right away. The first time you open it, the app may show a brief setup or ask whether you want to enable notifications. You can adjust those choices later in the app's settings if you change your mind. Also, the app icon will now appear on your home screen or in your app drawer, so it's easy to find next time without going back to the Play Store. That's all it takes to download the Starbucks app on Android. With it on your phone, you can order ahead to skip the line, pay seamlessly in store, earn stars toward rewards, and quickly locate nearby stores wherever you go. If you ever return to the Play Store and see Update instead of Install, that simply means a newer version is available to keep things running smoothly. Enjoy your coffee run, and thanks for watching.